Linda Yao is Chief Operating Officer and Head of Strategy at Lenovo. She spoke to our correspondent Li Jianhua.
AI is all about helping organizations make the technology choices such that the full solution fits together and meets their requirements. I'll give you an example. In the compute infrastructure layer, you have a choice to make on whether the compute is done in the public cloud, in a private cloud, in your premise, or even on device, to make that very personal. Same for the data layer. Is your data going to be accessed publicly? Is it going to be hyper-personalized on device for your own personal data, or is it in your enterprise domain? And then finally, for the models as well, will you choose open source models or proprietary models? So these are all specific choice points that need to be made as we build the hybrid AI tech stack. And to fulfill those customer requirements around data privacy, maybe data latency, or even total cost of ownership, you need partners like Lenovo who have battle-tested those and have the best practices and the templates for which configurations work best together.
Lenovo has the largest supply chain in Asia, and we know the AI market is dominated by established players like Google, Microsoft, which have deep expertise in AI software. And we know Lenovo is very strong in traditional hardware, and how can we make sure that Lenovo can stand out?
I mean, we're partnering with these hyperscalers as well. We provide the computational power for 7 out of the top 10 global hyperscalers. So for Lenovo, we do have unique expertise in the public cloud, as well as, of course, with the hardware expertise and implementations on. And that is part of the secret sauce of what makes Lenovo hybrid AI work. We know what it takes to do AI in a public manner. We know what it takes to do AI in a private or enterprise-specific manner. And finally, we have those devices at the edge and in our own personal computational labs to know what it takes to do AI on device and at the edge. That full gamut is what makes Lenovo quite unique because, again, end-to-end, wherever AI needs to be, wherever your data needs to reside, and wherever you find that computational power, Lenovo can make AI work for you.
Lenovo has extensive collaboration with tech giants, as I said just now, like NVIDIA. Do you think Lenovo is too reliant on external partners?
The beauty of Lenovo is that we have an open ecosystem. At the end of the day, customers value choice. And so our secret sauce and our ability to orchestrate across the ecosystem, whether it is NVIDIA or Intel or AMD, whether it is Microsoft or Google or another hyperscaler, we have that ability to bring the technology together, and together we integrate what is needed to meet that customer's requirement.
So you think we have more security or critical concerns in AI deployments, with Lenovo's focus on AI-driven solutions, especially in cloud and edge computing, as you mentioned just now. How are you ensuring that consumer data remains secure?
And since data is the fuel for AI, this is one of the first roadblocks that we help our customers to assess and to overcome. So part of the beauty of hybrid AI is, again, that it takes into account those data latency, those data security, and those data localization requirements so that we can bring that AI to the data in a format that meets those policies or those regulations.